The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southwest Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9 p.m. At 8:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Crest Hill, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar in... Locations impacted include Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Lockport, Westmont, Palmer Glen, Lamont, Burridge, Willow Springs, Woodridge, Darien, Goodings Grove, Crest Hill, Palos Heights, Willowbrook, Palos Park and Fairmont. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 261 and 275. Interstate 355 between mile markers 4 and 17. This includes Argonne National Laboratory and Lewis University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.